Hi, my name is Vasso and I'm working for Metaltex Netherlands, and I'm here for you to present the Onyx dryers. We have 6 best-selling dryers that we present in this new color, matte black Onyx coating. It's a coating developed by Metaltex and made in Italy. This coating is very durable, with a rough surface that make it feel with a high quality, but also sturdy and heavy look. Also has a nice black color that looks very trendy in and around the house. Especially if you also look at the way it's presented, it should attract the young people, which I think it does.